Policeman shot and succumbed to injuries at wake in Frog City. 3 others injured during the attack. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A policeman is dead and 3 others injured after a shooting at a wake in Frog City in the Maxwell Avenue area of St. Andrew on Saturday night. Information reaching Links 007 TV News is that the men were armed with M16 rifles and entered the premises where the wake was being held and opened gunfire, hitting 4 people including a child. The victims were rushed to hospital where the policeman who was at the location succumbed to his injuries after being shot in the face. The others were treated and remain in hospital up to the publication of this report, and the police have not yet ascertained a motive for the shooting. However, their investigation continues and they are maintaining a presence in the area. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide it with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.